Okay, so let's talk about writing your sales letter. And this is something that's usually done after creating your product, although sometimes it can be done before or while you're creating your product. Because when you're writing your sales letter, you could get ideas of what you're going to be talking about in your product. Okay, so this is something that I do sometimes, and sometimes I write the sales letter afterwards. So it all depends on the situation. Now, if you do not know how to write sales letters, you could outsource this, or you could just learn how to do it yourself. You're going to have to invest in books and courses. Of course, you could also learn for free. You could do a Google search. Maybe there might be some YouTube videos that teach how to write sales letters or how to copyright. And yeah, and you also want to learn from reading other sales letters. Okay, you could actually just copy some of them, not word by word, but just copy how they're done and just put in your own words, put in your own story. So that's one thing that most marketers do, is to try to collect a swipe file. Okay, try to have a swipe file of over 100 or even hundreds of sales letters that you can copy or take notes from. Okay, but of course, do not plagiarize from anybody. Okay, another option to writing your sales letters is to use software tools. There are software tools out there that can create the sales letter for you. You know, you just open up the software and you just answer a few questions such as the name of your product, the benefits and features, and so on. Now, the problem with these software tools is a lot of times the sales letter that it puts out is, it seems like it was written by a robot, so you may have to do some editing. And for that, I recommend you buy this book on Amazon. It's called Bon Halbert's. Actually, it's a book by Bon Halbert, and the title of the book is The Halbert Copywriting Method Part 3. And Bon Halbert is the son of the great copywriting master Gary Halbert. Okay, but the Halbert Copywriting Method Part 3 teaches you how to edit a rough draft of a sales letter. So this is great for editing sales letters that are created by these sales letter software tools. Okay, it helps you, or it teaches you how to smooth it out and make it more appealing.